My name's Glenn, I'm the founder of Richr, and I'm here to show you how to keep your hard-earned equity by selling your home commission-free on the MLS. So let's get to it. You start by clicking on List Your Home. We get to the type of property. We're going to click Single Family and then the next arrow. Now, I have found a home in Surfside, so let's see how much money we will keep in equity. So it's showing us the approximate home value from a Zillow's estimate and that we would keep as much as $50,000 using Richr. That's a lot of money. So let's go to create a new property. So we go to edit your listing, single family. It already pre-fills in some of the data to make it easy. We'll select some random details about the home. Let's say it's vacant. So we're 1/5 approximately of the way through. Let's keep going. So 2 baths. Do the bedrooms have any good features? Let's say master bedroom is at the ground level and a studio too. Are you selling this home furnished? We'll go with unfurnished. Does your property have any additional rooms? We'll go with family room, great room, garage, library, office, and a guest house. So now on the left side, you'll see that we've completed the general part of your home. Now we're in the interior section and we're halfway through the interior section. So let's continue. Does your property have any of these interior features? So we'll go with custom mirrors, closet cabinetry, bar, and and if you're lucky to have an elevator, we'll click on elevator. What type of floors does your property have? We'll go with wood and marble. Does your property have any of these following appliances? We'll go with a trash compactor, garage door opener, and say natural gas. So you've now completed the interior and you are on track to save $49,022. Now we are on the structure. Let's say it's facing north. Let's go with yes for the pool. What type of cooling does the building have? We're going to go with electric cooling. Next. What type of heating does the building have? Let's go with heat. Let's go with electric heat. What type of water does your property have? We'll go with municipal water. Next. What type of sewage? We're going to go with municipal sewer. And does your property have any exterior features? We're going to go with patio. Now we have completed the structure, and now we're going to continue to the property. Describe the view? We're just going to say it's on a golf course, and there is a river. Is your property waterfront? We're going to go with yes. Is your property an HOA? We're going to go no. Tell us more about your property. What type of association does your property have? We're going to go none. How often does the association? We're going to say no fees. How much are association fees, if anything? We're going to go just put it's not relevant, so we can leave it blank. Are there any other fees? We're going to go, let's put 0 there. I'm going to say none here. And then we're going to go, does the association have to approve the buy? We're going to say no approvals, and we're going to go with next. Are pets allowed? We're going to go yes. Is there restrictions on the side for pets? We're going to go no restrictions. Go next. How many garage places? We'll go with 1. Now we are on to the final part, which describes your parking at home. We're going to go with street parking. We're now on the last section. How much would you like to list your house for? So let's say 900. Slightly above the Zillow's estimate that we saw before. How much commission would you like to give the buyer's agent? Now, traditionally, you can give as little or as much as you want, and capping it at 3%. People traditionally like to give 2 to 3% to motivate the buyer's agent, so we'll go with 2.5. Is this a short sale? No. Is this an REO? No. REO means real estate owned. How would you like to show the property to interested buyers? We'll say call the owner, because we want you to have all the leads that come directly to you. What is the best phone number for the property? Let's just put 305 123 4567. Describe the home. We're just going to say beautiful home that faces north. So you then get to the upload the photo section. So we're going to see, we're just going to put 1 up there as an example. Now, if you have more than 1 photo, you can select the featured image just by selecting this button there. Because we have 1 image, it's already the featured image. So go to next, and now you're complete. So you're on your track to completing your listing, and here you'll get to a summary of your answers. And any one of these sections, this is probably taking us just over 5 minutes, but in any one of these sections you can edit your answers just in case you think you might want to add further information or be able to deduct or remove any information that you thought was unnecessary. Let's go to submit. Here you'll come to our cancel anytime agreement. This is a 12-month agreement that you can cancel at any time. And you simply scroll through, looking at all of the language. You'll see that we don't charge anything for listing. It's zero, it's free. And we've said that we're going to give the cooperating broker 2.5%. And let's go to the bottom of this agreement. You hit I accept and submit. And you're done. So it's that simple to keep your equity, and you get to control the sale of your home. And we look forward to helping you sell commission free. Thank you.